Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. First, understand that connecting your store to Google Analytics is crucial for gaining valuable insights into customer behavior and sales performance. This process allows you to track website traffic, understand user engagement, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. By following a few simple steps, you can begin collecting data in just a few minutes, empowering you to make data-driven decisions for your online business. To begin, open Google Analytics and locate the Admin section. Here, you will find the option to create property, which is your first step. Provide a clear name for your Shopify store and select the correct time zone for accurate reporting. Additionally, choosing your industry category helps Google Analytics tailor insights, giving you more relevant data about your customers and market trends. This initial setup takes only about 2 minutes. Next, you need to connect your newly created Google Analytics 4 property to your Shopify store. In Google Analytics, find your unique measurement ID, which typically starts with G. Then, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Online Store and select Preferences. You will see a dedicated field for Google Analytics. Paste your measurement ID there and click Save to activate the connection. This simple copy-paste step is critical. After connecting, it is essential to verify that data is flowing correctly. Open the real-time report in Google Analytics and visit your Shopify store in a new browser tab. You should see your activity reflected almost instantly. Once confirmed, you can start analyzing valuable data like traffic sources, popular products, and customer journeys. Use these powerful insights to refine your marketing campaigns, improve your website, and ultimately boost your store's performance and sales.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.